go miming. Oh. Say, we're gonna go miming.
Go miming?
Say hi.
Hi!
Mabilis daw to eh, sabi.
Hey, man!
Bilis ka! Ah!
Ready na ba kayo? Ready na? Yan na!
Whatever you experience that will help you become a better Taekwondo fighter or music player, you remember everything.
Hi guys, today swimming kami. Diba? Swimming. Nagmimimig kami. Hello. Nagmimimig. 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 Ha? Nagmimimig. Miming. Miming. Nagmimimig. 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 Say we're gonna go miming. Say we're gonna go miming. Oh? Say we're gonna go miming.
Go miming?
We're gonna go miming.
Go miming.
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 We're gonna go miming. Guys, this is Lee Dae-hoon. Diba ka? Lee Dae-hoon. Kamukha, diba? Ito na yung Olympian. Yeah. And hair. Same hair too. Okay, so yun guys, nag-swimming kami. And we're gonna go to the water park. As last day namin, bago umuwi. So yeah, we're gonna see you on bus. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa water park. Ano yun itong water park? I forgot the name.
Nanlock pa kayo?
Bayan. Benten. Swimming. Swimming. We're here at Junghong Gold Spa and Resort. Medyo mainit ngayon sa labas. I'm wearing a rush start kasi ayoko magpaitim masyado. Sheesh! Eh, check dito. Hindi ano. Init sa labas ngayon guys. Parang Pinas.
Magsuot ka nga na yun.
Init. Eh, ito na yung last trip namin, ito na yung last field trip namin kasi bukas ng hapon uwi na kami. Gising kami bukas ng umaga mga 5 AM kasi we're 4 hours away from Seoul, Incheon. And we're gonna be hopefully, I think. So guys, dito na kami sa loob. Ito yung loob. Okay. Ito yung loob ng park. Ito yung indoor na swimming pool. Pero papasok pa kami. Lumabas na kami kanina actually. Kumain na din kami ng lunch. So, kailangan lang ng ano. Hintayin yung isa namin kasama. Coach Gani. Yung view. Say hi. So, mainit-mainit na labas medyo. Sakto lang.
Hi!
Picture. Yeah. So, lalabas na kami. Actually, yung try na namin yun. Yung malaking yun. Ito namin na ano. Hintay lang namin yung isa namin kasama. Nalabas na kami, guys. Papakita ko yung view sa labas. So, ito na, guys. Ito yung labas. May slide dito. May slide. Yun yung wave pool. Meron pa doon na hindi pa namin sinabukan. Hello.
What's up?
What's up? Ah! 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 Yo! Ah! Yo! Ah! Hindi ka makapag-video. Ah! So guys, talk kami din sa isa.
Body cam ba?
Next, dito namin lalagay yung phone namin. Next is itong malaking to. Yan.
Ay, yung tanong mo si Indy, oh.
Ate Kim, say hi.
Sino kasama mo dun sa purple?
Sila. Evan.
Kinantig dalawa.
Si Jay. So guys, ayun, dito na kami. We're gonna go in this one. Pang memes. Ito yung kanina, wait. Ito yung sinakyan namin kanina. Purple naman. Mas mabilis daw to eh, sabi.
Hey, man!
Ay, bilis ka! Wow! Oh, ganda! Wait, anong mabilis? Hoy! Oh, mabilis! Hoy! 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 Oh! Hoy! Ang bilis! Yo! Yeah! Woo! So cool! Wow! So guys, dito lang kami sa may wait, ginana ko na kanina, wait na namin. Wag, naka-video ako! Hintayin namin yung alon guys. Dito tayo. Abangan natin dito. Abangan! Uy, lock in! Hawakan nyo! Hintayin natin. Wait! Hintayin namin yung wave, guys. Ready na ba kayo? Yan na! Naiwan! Sinay siya! Ayun na dito. Ay! Wow! Lakas! Sapay, wait lang. Baharap tayo. Yun na. Ay! Wow! Yeah! Dapat nakaginto tayo, tiyo mo. Nakahawak. Game. Hold on. Yan! Napahawak kayo! Hawakan nyo na isa-isa. Yan. Sige, pa dun tayo. Usap tayo dun para sa lubong. Are you ready, bro? Kaya pa yan. Malayo pa to, halfway pa lang. Merong underground pa dito eh. Lunod eh. Meron pa yan yung underground. Yo. Wala. Ganda. Yo, let's go. Sana phone ko. Ako sana phone ko. So guys, nalasin na lang kami dito. Massage na ano. Ooh, look. Hi guys, tapos na yung swimming. And then, kwento ko lang, nagulat ako dun sa ano, sa banyo. Yung locker room guys. Kasi doon, daming view. So lahat doon nakahubad lang, walang brief or anything. Like straight up bad lang. Tapos may sauna din doon. So dito kami nakain sa buffet daw ngayon. Last dinner namin. Kasi bukas na kami aalis.
Kinapok tayo ng Koreano. Sigaw siya ng sigaw.
It's can. Wow. Zop. I'm Master Kim. Oh, kakain na ulit kami ng buffet. Last buffet of Korea. Ito na yun. Ito yung last ano namin. Last buffet na namin. Sport. Ito yung mga pagkain.
Oh!
Wow. Hi guys, so ayun, this is our last day na here in Korea. I mean, it's tomorrow, pero tomorrow kasi we're gonna go back na. And tomorrow's our flight. So we're fixing na our stuff. I have so much stuff kasi dito. See, these are some souvenirs I bought for my friends in the Philippines. Alis na kami mamayang 5:30. And it's currently 8:51. And nag-laundry din ako ng damit para pag-uwi. Don't have any clothes to clean na lang. So, yeah, that's our last day. Zach, say hi. Say what was one of your greatest achievements?
Fixing the stall.
Yeah, because our first day here, nabarado namin yung toilet. Nabarado dahil sa tae ni Zach. Nabarado. So, ayun, nalilinis na namin kung kailan kaalis na kami kasi we kept asking sa roommates namin na doon kami makiki-CR Kasi nga hindi namin ma-flush because it's going back up. So, yeah guys, you can start cleaning our things na. And I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Yes, you're watching. Bye. So guys, I've decided na I'm gonna close my vlog right here. Yan, then si Zach. Ready na yung mga gamit niya. Mine, I'm like halfway done, I think. So, ayun guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So this trip has been so crazy. Right, Zach? 15 days, pero it feels like a month. Like more than a month almost. And I want to thank, shout out to, I want to thank God, of course, number one. He made all this possible. And then my family too. Because my family went here to support me. And even though di kami nakita, I know that they went here. Zach, say hi again. Do you want to shout out anyone? Again. GH.
My parents,
Yeah.
Evan, who's in the other door, Coach Rainier, Coach Eugene, Rowan, Danny, Simon, Lance.
Yeah. So I'm thankful that I didn't get any injury. This guy got an injury. He got a hamstring stretch, and I'm also thankful that I got the medal. So I want to thank God for that. Also want to thank Zach for that, because he was my opponent in the last game, and at the end of the day, we still both got medals, and that's still a good thing. International competition, even though it's Pumse, it's still an achievement though, right? We can say we're Pumse players, bro. And then I want to also thank my coaches, Coach Kani, Coach Bella, Coach Pauline, Coach Joseph, Coach Clarence, Coach Ari, Coach Ben, Coach Eugene, sino ba? Coach Rainier, of course. Kasi nabanggit mo na kanina na wala sa isip ko eh. So, ayan. Thank you so much mga coaches for training me. And because of that, got prepared for Korea. And ayun also for our trainings. What did you learn? Yeah, a whole lot. So it's not just sparring training eh. Kasi we also did like a lot of demo and freestyle, which I've never done before. We did like a lot of like turning kicks, ano pa, mga dance. Yeah, we learned K-pop dance. So we learned so much things. K-pop dance, flipping to back, not backflips. Just like,
No, pero like,
yeah, like the rolling. Basta, we did like a lot of things that we didn't know was really related to our taekwondo, kasi we got used to just sparring taekwondo, diba? Just kicking, you know? Like bugbog ka laban or ikaw yung mabubugbog. And we learned so much from here in this trip. And I'm really thankful for this trip. 15 days, but I learned so much in 15 days. I feel like 15 days would have gone faster at home. Parang feel ko, wait, it's been like 2 weeks na pala. Dito parang halfway of the trip, parang layo pa eh. Kasi every day we trained like 3 times a day, which is like so long. And then, ano bang, what else can we say?
So my favorite days of my life.
Oh yeah, favorite day. What was your favorite training day? In the 2 weeks. For me, I think maybe today.
Today, does that count?
Vacation.
This ain't no training day.
Oh yeah, it's not training day. I mean, your favorite day, siguro. I think it counts.
Yeah, favorite day.
Yeah. Kasi, we had like so much fun kanina. Like, I had one of those moments na like parang, wow, at home, I'm just gonna think about this and like, I'm gonna be in class and then, I remember that one time on trip I was with Zach. And I remember, like, and then we learned like a lot of things. Like, we became dorm mates too. So, we got like a peek at what college life is gonna be if we're gonna stay at the dorm. Are you gonna stay at the dorm or no?
Possibly.
Ako, I might din. I'm not sure pa. Kasi Not sure which college I'm going to yet. But we learned so much things. Like Zach learned how to remove his poop from the toilet. He used the plunger and then he got so happy. No, that's a good
I did not know
experience.
they had a plunger.
Kasi pinag-stressan namin ng ilang days na we couldn't like poop at the toilet. We had to poop at other people's room. And what else did I learn here? I learned also to eat different kinds of food. Not everything, but most Korean food. And I learned that most of them are spicy, which is like, you know. And ayun, people are so nice here, you know.
Yeah.
The people at Dongshin University are like so nice and they're very hospitable. Like oh. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This trip has been crazy.
Shout out then kay Coach Gani and Coach Bella.
Yeah, I thanked them earlier kanina.
Wait,
Yeah. They're one of the reasons that we were able to go here. So I also want to thank everyone at Taekwondo 1 and everyone here at Dongshin University that made this possible. World Taekwondo that made they accommodated all our rooms, our food. Guys, ang sarap kumain dito. Like most lunch and dinner, no?
Yeah.
Mga buffet. So like only food, bro. Like pero ang ayoko lang masyado is yung breakfast kasi I'm not mahilig sa nut rice. So ang dami kong naipon na na sandwich and hindi ko siya nakakain.
Si Master Kim.
Yeah, Master
Manager.
Kim, yeah.
You said that?
Huh? No, I said everyone at Taekwondo 1. Pero Master Kim's the main, he's like the manager, right?
Yo.
Yeah, so he's the one who made most of this possible. Almost all of this possible. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye. I want to picture this. Oh shoot, it didn't. Yeah. Come closer, cause it's like blurred. Bye. Bye.
Peninsula. Ngayon, ang message ng mga coaches nyo, message ko rin sa inyo, message ko sa kanila, hindi sila player pa. Yung experience nyo doon, i-absorb nyo lahat ng na-experience nyo for 2 weeks. Yung mga katulong sa taekwondo nyo, mga katulong sa buhay nyo, yung mga hindi magandang experience, yan, kalimutan nyo yun. Absorb what is useful, disregard what is useless, and then, whatever you experience that will help you become a better taekwondo fighter or music player, you remember everything. And then, whatever will help you become a better person, you remember everything. Magbalik ka sa gym nyo, sa practice nyo, yung sinakripisyo nyo doon, ilabas nyo. Dahil pag natigil yan, mawawala niyo yan. Proud ako sa inyo, na-provide yung training, and hopefully next year, makabalik tayo. Pasalamatan yung mga parents pinayagan kayo umalik. At the same time, marami kayo. Hindi lahat ng mga taekwondo players makakapunta sa Korea. Hindi lahat makapag-training, hindi lahat makapag-compete. Anyway, pahinga kayo, balik sa ganin. Pag bumisita ulit ako sa gym, sa training nyo, kita-kita tayo. Okay? Yun lang. Sige, yun ang team captain.
Yes.
Sir!
Good job.